Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The Canadian dollar weakened against its US counterpart as oil prices fell and interest rate hikes by central banks around the world added to investor worries that tighter monetary policy could derail economic growth. Toshiba, Sony and Samsung Electronics lost their court fight against an EU cartel fine levied 7 years ago for colluding in procurement tenders for optical disc drives. The European Commission in 2015 fined 5 companies €116 million. European natural gas prices surged again as Russia cut supplies to its biggest customers, Germany and Italy, a move which follows a recent fire at Freeport LNG in the US, with the plant set to be offline for as long as 90 days. The Aussie dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. Shares of Tesla plummeted 5.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The dollar-yen pair dove 1.4% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair gained 1.4% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.9% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The US industrial production will be released at 13:15 GMT. The US capacity utilization at 13:15 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The Austrian HICP will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.